How do we get into space? We use solid rocket boosters. These rockets in particular use enormous amounts of fuel to generate enough thrust to push the rocket into space. This uses Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The fuel comes out of the bottom of the rocket, and in response, the rocket shoots up with the same amount of force, accelerating the rocket into the atmosphere. Once in space, the rocket doesn't have much fuel left, so it orbits around the moon or a planet. This is obtained by escaping the gravity of a planet, but not its atmosphere.
So, what is the effect of a rocket launch on the human body? According to NASA, humans can travel at any given speed safely, but the acceleration to reach that point is what can affect the human body potentially for the worst. For example, if not only is the acceleration incredibly fast, but given the short time span, space shuttles have to reach about 3 times the acceleration of gravity, which can cause astronauts to feel about 3 times their body weight. The effects of high acceleration or a launch can include temporary vision problems, loss of consciousness, or even an increase in the speed of aging process.
Humans may be able to travel at any speed, but the speed is not what takes its toll on the body. Zero gravity has the most significant and most noticeable effects on the human body, ranging from the cause of broken bones to serious mental illnesses. In the case of zero gravity, as opposed to temporary weightlessness, there is no single force acting upon you. While this might not seem all that different, it has completely different effects due to different circumstances. Under zero gravity, the human body does not adapt perfectly because it is accustomed to at least one force acting upon it at all times. This absence of force has far more negative effects than positive.
Being in space for extended periods of time can have severe effects on the human body. These effects can be categorized in 2 ways, mental and physical. Some long-term physical effects include muscle atrophy, skeletal deterioration, and the slowing of the cardiovascular system functions and a weakened immune system. These are mostly caused by zero gravity. Long-term mental effects include depression, sleep disorders, and a decrease in mood and morale. These are mostly caused by either being alone or only with a few people for long times in a small space.